All right, guys, we are here at Phat Drake's, and hey, everybody say hello. Mercy's birthday party tonight. Woo! Yeah, Captain Ron's on station with us. Yeah, we have some amigos catered in tonight. Look at this, guys, deliciousness for the birthday bash tonight for my wife. Happy birthday, baby.
Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 Wake up, today's gonna be a good day.
Go out here and see the rest of you guys. There's Roger. Say hello to everybody. Yeah, baby. Here's all the girls. Say hi. We've got everything going here tonight, guys. We got cakes. Check out these beautiful cakes we got.
Happy birthday.
Look at that. Yeah, we got lots of snacks, and look at the bar over here, guys. Everything we want to drink is here tonight. We even have Budweiser in the cooler, believe it or not. Oh, yeah. Spared no expense tonight for Mercy's birthday, that's for sure. Phat Drake's hosting our party tonight. Thank you so much, Phat Drake. What a spread. Check it out. We're gonna go out and say hello. This is the girls area mainly. We just brought the food in, so let's go on out, see what's happening outside. What's going on, everybody? Say hi to everybody on YouTube. We are rocking it out here, guys. Check it out. Oh, rocking like a hurricane out here. Woo! Yeah, we are. We are going to head inside, and the girls are mainly in here. The guys are outside, the girls are inside for the most part. And we are ready to eat because we just had food delivered from Amigos. We are ready to rock this place tonight. I'm telling you, right before the live stream kicks off.
I didn't take any pictures.
You didn't take any pictures. You shouldn't be taking pictures.
I know.
It's your birthday.
I know, Papi, but I want to have something in my camera.
Oh, you gotta have it in your camera.
Yes. Okay, girls. The
Food is ready, guys. Let's dig in. Get it while it's hot. Get it while the getting's good. Get a burrito. There you go. Oh, check it out. Captain Ron's in the massage chair, just getting all shaken up. He's shaking his booty in here. What the heck's on your face?
I don't know.
What do you put on your head? VR? Is that like a VR unit?
No, that is a forehead and face massager.
Oh, you get a forehead and face massager with it too,
It
huh?
actually has airbags in it that put pressure on your face.
No kidding, man. You have
like
got
it's a heater.
You've even got like a little control panel right here going on.
Heat on your face.
Check it out.
Heat's not on, but I'm turning it on now.
Captain Ron's getting shook up over here. His legs are all straddled in here. Check him out.
If you want, you should put heat on your back.
I already put heat on my face.
How is it, buddy? Is it pretty good?
It's different.
It's different?
No, I had a back adjustment the other day though.
Oh, you did?
Yeah.
So this
The
has got.
back's still a little sore.
Where's your arms at? Oh, you got them stuck inside here too. You got arm massagers too.
Arms are trapped.
They're trapped. You're getting squoze out, huh? Is this chair milking you out, man?
I don't know what you mean by milking me out.
Look at this beautiful balloon bouquet Mark and Hazel got for Mercy. What is that? Oh my goodness, that is something.
birthday, Mercy.
That is nice.
It's personal.
Beautiful.
Thank you.
We're having a great time, guys. Karaokeing. What a bouquet.
See, it has my name on it.
Yeah, it's got your name on it.
Happy birthday.
Very cool. Yep, right there. Happy birthday, Mercy.
Yeah, thank you.
Beautiful.
Happy birthday.
All right, everybody. Mercy's going to open her gifts. She got some gifts tonight. Not that all the friends here tonight was enough. That would have been plenty enough for us. But Mercy's got gifts on top of it. So we're going to open some. She's going to open her gifts right now.
Alcohol, which is added to the bar.
Yeah, right. More alcohol.
This is from my friend Ronnie.
Ron got you the fossil bag. All right, let's see what's in there.
Nice.
Look at that.
Oh, I love this color.
Oh, nice. Look at that.
And Michelle, thank you.
Yeah, look at that. You got a key.
My name, Mercy.
Oh, nice.
Oh, thank you, Ronnie. Thank you, Michelle.
Nice.
Yeah. Oh, Fred.
That's a good deal. Nice purse.
Thank you.
We can use that to put all my cameras in and stuff. Oh, goodness.
Oh, this is from
Who's that from?
May and Joe.
May and Joe. They left already, so.
Oh, that's you?
I don't know how to buy friends.
Oh, that's from Dina. That was from Dina. Oh, look, Zumba clothes.
May told me I got you from some exercise clothes.
Oh, well, now you know you got two pairs. That's perfect. Nice.
Favorite color.
Oh, she knows.
Oh, Fred, how cute.
Got her a Zumba top. Nice, very nice. And some slippers.
Yes, I need it for inside. Yeah.
Oh, perfect.
Fred.
How
You know my
nice.
size.
How nice. Thank you, Dina.
So I assume this is from May and
Then that one's from May and Joe then. And then we also got tons of wine and liquor we've added to the bar over here. Come on, don't you know how to rip those packages open? Remember when you were a kid and you just ripped them open? There you go, that's how you do it. Oh, that's cool looking. Get some flower print going on. Oh, another bag. Sweet.
Okinawa. Yeah, that's from them, right?
Yeah,
Yeah. Okay. That was it.
nice.
That was
Get
the
you-
bag for the gym.
Oh, a gym bag. Perfect. Nice. Good job, baby. Oh, yeah. Yeah, Jane brought a cake with her name on it. Excellent. And some dessert.
Joe and
Joe and May brought dessert, yeah. Oh, yeah.
I was messed up. Sorry, guys. Well, thank you. Thank you
Yeah.
so much, all my friends, the subscribers too. Make
Yeah.
big,
Thank you
big-
guys for joining us.
Thank you.